fastest layer one ready to adopt with the industry. This project is going to blow your mind out the water. And if you guys want to know more about Say, we are going to have a crazy deep dive into this session right now together. So with that being said, guys, thank you for being here. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara DeCass, and let's rock on to this video. So today I did a crazy video. I said thank you guys very much for listening to my videos and my audios. I really do appreciate every single last one of you. So guys, crazy stuff happening. I've got a lot of stuff coming out. I've got crazy shorts coming out for you soon. Just more educational stuff that is there to share with the community to help the community grow and experience more. So thanks for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show, guys. Today we're going to be talking about Say, and Say is currently sitting at 119th, and it is a layer one blockchain. That's its beautiful logo. I really like its logo a lot. Say is SEI, and the ticker is SEI. Currently sitting at 15.3 cents right now, and 3.9% up for the day. 2% against BTC. Only on 8,800 people's watched this so far, so it is still tiny, okay? Bearing in mind that it has had a good, beautiful pump in the past little while with a market cap of 278 million. That's a decent market cap with a trading volume of 113 million. That's a trading volume of nearly 50%, guys. That's a crazy awesome trading volume. And now also the fully diluted valuation is also 1.5 billion, guys. So we are going to go and find out exactly why this project already has so much liquidity and has just been launched and has an incredible base for us to create magic from. So this coin is a gem, and make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel for more gems like this. I am going to be bringing to you 100x gems on the continuous. So hit the notification bell in the meantime. Total supply is 10 billion. Total circulating is 1.8 billion so far. So, you know, that is a 5x ratio in terms of, you know, they can dump more on us in the meantime. But guys, this is still the early days of this project right now. This project has crazy adoptability growing already right now. So let us go and have a look. This coin is down 66% from its all-time high, which was 8 days ago at 45 cents, 45.5 cents. And we are up currently now at the 14.4 cents, up from that low 2 days ago, $6.80 cents. Okay, so you can see there there's not much data, guys. This coin was launched pretty much last week, so that all came into the space right now. So it's still very much early days. But if we go and have a look at the market cap here on this project, we could probably see that oh yes, the market cap was 800 million that it already went up to. So that's like a 3x from where it is now. Of course, 15 cents to 45 cents, that's a 3x, guys. Pretty plain and simple, right? So that's a 3x. Now, guys, I'm saying to you that it could hit 100 million. So just, we'll bear with me. We'll go through it in a moment. But if you had to buy $100 or $10 today, and you can buy this coin using my Bybit link down in the comments below. And you can also use my Bitflex link, because both of them will give you an incredible bonus. And if you buy into this bonus, you guys will get more coins. And we're going to talk about exactly where this coin is going to be going, guys. So right now, $10 will get you, call it 65 coins, right? $100 give you 650 coins. $1,000, 6,500 coins. And $10,000 will get you about 65,000 coins, just under 65,000 coins. Okay. So pretty juicy. Now let's take that into consideration when we go and talk about this project. First of all, let's go and see what this project is all about. So enabling mass adoption. So you can come over by clicking the link over here. Boom. All right. And then you can go and check their blog if you want. But Say is enabling mass adoption of digital assets. Say is the fastest layer one blockchain designed to scale with the industry. Now we ask ourselves, do we need more layer ones in the industry? Well, no, not really. There's already a lot of competition, like we have all been saying on YouTube, and there is a lot of competition. So perhaps this one is going to be the one that is, because it is the fastest and it's designed to scale with the industry, guys, we are going to see something incredible with this blockchain, no doubt about it. And I'm going to show you why now. So first of all, transaction finality is 380 milliseconds. That's crazy fast, guys. Orders per second, 20,000 orders per second, guys. That's huge. 100 million plus total testnet transactions already done, and it hasn't been even here for like a week. Well, it has, but just over a week. 4 million testnet users, guys. That is already in 1 week. That's huge. That's massive adoption already taking place on this project. Now, trusted by world-class operators, investors, and institutions, multi-coin capital, Coinbase, Jump, Delphi Digital, HRT, GSRC, Flow Traders, Distributor Global, STEPN, incredible guys, STEPN as well, Layer Zero, Yield Guild, Frax, my good me, yo, crazy partnerships that are trusting this project already. So that's already one sign, guys. Tick. Okay. Powerful infrastructure. That's your we're going to have a look at technical analysis just now. These are the fundamentals, of course. So powerful infrastructure, unparalleled speed, the fastest blockchain in the industry, unlocked by twin turbo consensus, all with low transaction finality, industry leading throughput. Security first, user centric. So secured by some of the largest institutions in the world, Say is built from the ground up to prioritize security above all else. So tick on the security side. Speed, tick. User-centric with a deep committed to fairness. Say is fully open source. Tick. Okay. Narrative front-running protection, seamless interoperability. Tick. And multiple levels of transaction bundling. Tick. Guys, this project is already winning. What do you guys think? So comparing to other blockchains, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Say. Well, okay, so Bitcoin, 10 TPS, ETH, 20, Solana, 10,000, Say, double Solana. So what did you just hear? Did you just hear what I said? Honestly, guys, it would be very interesting. You could sell your Solana to buy Say. That would be a crazy thing, I'm sure. But anyways, let's not talk about that. Don't worry about that. We'll have conversations like that in other videos. Transaction finality, 60 seconds. 6 minutes, 2.5 seconds, 500 milliseconds. Front running prevention, none. Yeah, boy. So, boom, that is beautiful already, guys. Sequential processing style, sequential, parallelized, running together. Sybil protection, proof of work, proof of stake. Start building on this platform right now. Who's building on Say? Well, Elixir, infrastructure, Pyth, Oracle, Sushi, DeFi, Cargo, predictions, Nitro infrastructure. You can be one of them too if you start building today. A new blockchain design space. Guys, I'm not sponsored by this project at all, and I am just sharing this project with you. I am literally about to show you why I'm about to start dipping my toes into this project right now. So it's highly secure. And it's massively scalable, engineered to evolve, fastest blockchain, brand new applications, carbon neutral as well. That's amazing. So the combination of Say optimizers make it possible for brand new applications to emerge, uniquely enabled by the advantages of Web3 in digital ownership. So unlocks a new design space in Web3, empowering the next generation of developers and creators. Wow. Already featured on Bloomberg, TechCrunch, Fortune, Blockworks, and TechCrunch once again, guys. If you want to go and check them out, follow them on social media, you can go and check them out here. Go and check what they're doing there on their blogs. Now, let's go and have a look at their Twitter very, very quickly. They've already got a good following on Twitter of 575,000 followers, just about. And you can see their ecosystem here. So there's lots and lots and lots of stuff that they are excited about. Binary X and Say Network, exciting news. This just came on the 14th of August, which is why they probably pumped hardcore as well. And what Say did was they actually launched like boom, 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 boom across multiple platforms very, very quickly. And you can see that when you go over here down to the exchanges that it is already on, and it's only been around for a couple of days, right? So it is on Upbit, Mixi, Binance, BitGet, Digifinex, Bybit, Bitflex already. Use my Bitflex and Bybit link down in the comments below. Let me know, are you guys invested in Say yet? Have you dipped your toes in Say yet? I haven't, and I'm definitely going to. I'm probably going to start off with, say, $50, I would say. Let's get $50 in there. I'll buy myself 300. I'll buy 333 coins, eh? I like that number, 333. So I'll buy 51 Say coins, 333 Say coins over the next little while. So let's go and see this project now. Now, I have already put it on my crypto bubbles. Okay, these are my Bitcoin bubbles. So if you want to come check out my Bitcoin bubbles, let me know. I'll leave a link down there to these bubbles, and yeah, I can share this with you, of course. But I will look at this on the video, and I'm actually going to be talking about a number of these projects in the next couple of days. So subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you see when I do a couple of these, because I'm going to be talking about a few of these in the next couple of videos. So make sure that you absolutely get those links, because that's going to drive you nuts if you don't. Okay, say, let's go and have a look at my say bubble. Now, say, as you can see here, this is the day. Okay, on the weekly, we're up. On the weekly, we're down 12.5%. There's not much month on the year, on the month, excuse me, and there's nothing much on the year. Okay, so on the month, boom, it is what it is. We pumped up there to 816 against BTC. So on the day, we're up just ever so slightly against BTC, or we were up ever so slightly. Now we're not so much at the moment on the hour. So basically, as you guys can see, this project is starting to get a huge pump against Bitcoin. Now, I want to go and show you a short video before we go and have a look at the charts. And then I'm going to show you at the very end my price prediction on this coin.
Jeff Feng, the other co-founder of Say Labs, told CoinDesk that there's this misconception that Say is a DeFi-focused chain. Can you unpack why that misconception exists and what Say's focus is?
Yeah, so when we originally got started, a lot of the early projects that were building on Say were exchanges. And people tend to have this mental model that any exchange is just tied to DeFi. That is definitely, first of all, not the case. For example, even NFT marketplaces are exchanges and they do not count as DeFi. But even beyond that, things like anything that either directly or indirectly gets its demand and its activity from any kind of exchange of digital assets, that does count as an exchange as well. So Say is fundamentally the most general purpose type of blockchain out there. And it's not purely focused on DeFi. At the moment, we're seeing many, many different types of applications getting built on Say. There's things related to social, there's things related to games, there's even rollups that are getting built on Say right now. And at this point, we've seen over 160, 170 projects that have already committed to building on Say.
Guys, if you're enjoying the content so far, then make sure to smash a thumbs up on the video. That would be greatly appreciated. You know what that does for the algorithm, because we're all trying to help our communities grow. So thanks for being here with me on the channel once again. Appreciate you all. And yeah, obviously that video was from Jay Jog, the co-founder of Say. So let's go and see the charts now, guys. So now I'm going to show you like 3 charts here at the moment, because I'm going to show you Binance, I'm going to show you Bybit, and I'm going to show you, I think, KuCoin. Yeah, okay, so we've got 3 different charts here. Let's start off with Bybit, because Bybit is the link that I always use down below, guys. So very simple. They've all got a little bit of a difference in them, but for now, you can see that these highs here were pretty much pumping up here. So I drew that line here, and before this price crashed down here, I drew this line here. So we crashed down, and now you can see from the low, and in fact, if I was to do this, this would basically bring this level now, as you can see there, as the bottom of the Say price currently. So with that being said, would you say that this is a good buying opportunity? I just need to point out something. We had a huge pump here, all right, on the RSI over here, boom, and it just pressed up ever so slightly. So we haven't yet come above a very specific level that we need to get above, which is this level right here. Let's reset that chart right now, and there you go. Okay, now we need to get above that level. I'm gonna just say green because we need to get above that level. Okay, so you can see there, so that could possibly end up looking like a little bit of resistance before further pull down. Okay, the RSI does need to kind of pull down a little bit here before we get into a good buy position. Now I just want to go and show you this on the daily time frame very quickly. Okay, on the daily time frame, right, we are actually looking like we're in the craziest buy position. Now I'm going to say this because this looks like a swing. There's no RSI indicator that is telling us that there is enough information here. Huge buy volume over here on this candle. Yes, a little bit of a sell out in pressure, but perhaps this was just here. Because now you can see this candle yesterday started having more buy volume that engulfed these past candle volumes here, which means that we're waiting and we're setting up for a long position on this coin. Now, guys, just if this coin has to go to the all-time high, and I'm going to tell you something right now, it's probably going to break the all-time high. this coin will give you 197% return on your money in the next couple of weeks, I would say. So yeah, I don't know how long that can be, but it could take a little while. But right now, what it has to do is it has to get above this zone here, probably hit this level, come back, pull back, find some support. That would be another last opportunity to buy here. So right now, I would say it's a good buying opportunity. No financial advice, of course. And then you can see a little bit of a rally and a pullback down to this zone where you would accumulate some more, and then probably maybe even to this zone here because of this line here, then pull back, and then one more dip to the top and kind of grind our way, maybe trying to make a new all-time high. If it does end up making a new all-time high, guys, I think this coin can pump to a dollar pretty simply. And I want to just show you this chart for now, and I'll talk about the other chart. So on the price action, so for me, I definitely think a dollar is in the cards for this coin. And if we were to get a dollar on the cards for this coin right now, that would look like a 531% gain on this token. Or if you come back here and you remember, if I said to you that that is a very simple, so $1 divided by $1 divided by 0.153, that will give you a 6.5x. So that's a very simple 6.5x gain on your capital, right? And that's why it's a 531% gain, more or less. Give or take a little bit of space there, or percentage space, right? But if we come back to this chart and we say $1, $1 would literally just bring us to a very simple market cap here. And we run on the market cap because we're running on the 1.8 billion that are in circulation. So if we were to go up $1, that would give us, let's just say it was a 6.35 price times 278 million. Okay, that would give us a $1.75 billion market cap. Look at the fully diluted. The fully diluted is already there already. So for me, guys, this coin is definitely going to be pumping a hell of a lot more. But I do think that the total supply needs to come into the circulation, which will make this coin probably pump even more, because then that will make people feel comfortable that they're not going to get their asses dumped on. Now, very short, quickly, this is the Binance chart. You can see very simple, the same thing, the same pressure is being applied here right now on this zone. We're having buy pressure. As you can see, the lows are getting higher and the highs are trying to break up above this zone. That's why it's just knocking on the roof here, because this is the resistance level, right? So as I said, boom, a pump up to this level, a pullback, and then a very strong pump up to the top here. And that will give us very much beautiful energy. The same thing on KuCoin, guys. They're all looking pretty much along the same thing. So let's go and have a look at what I actually predict that this price could get up to, especially if it's a layer one. And I would like to go and show you something very quickly. And let's go and have a look here. Now, this is the layer ones. We're going to have a very quick look at the layer ones. And the total layer one market cap is 800 billion, 683 million at this point. Now, these are the top layer ones. Now, let's just go and take Solana and at this moment. And I actually just want to go and have a very quick squiz. So Solana is currently $8.7 billion, right? Solana market cap, all-time high, previous all-time high was 75 billion. So let's just use Solana because it's comparing itself to Solana. So it's only fair to look at its potential market cap against Solana, right? So if we were to say that this was to become a $75 billion market cap right now, actually I'm going to say 75.5 because that's what it was, okay? We could be seeing 75 divided by a $278 million price today. We could be seeing a 271 gain X on this coin. So if you guys have not even invested yet and front run me, just kidding, guys. Then you don't even know what you guys are missing out on. So 271x, the current price of 0.153 will give us a $41.55 price on this coin. Now, do you guys think it could hit that perhaps on the next bull run? That would be insane, guys. That would put Say pretty much close to the top 10, right, as the layer one project, and it could surpass Avalanche. It could surpass a number of others. Do you guys think Say could hit a $41.55 price right now down below? This is a 271x gain on the coin, guys. If you guys enjoyed this and you want to trade this, make sure to smash the video thumbs up on the algorithm. That really is helpful, of course. Say is a beautiful project so far. I would like to know what my community thinks about this project, and if you have invested yet. You know, and as an example, just one last thing. If I was to take my $50, and so sorry, times it by the 333 coins, okay, at $44. Just if I had to only invest $50, okay, I would turn my $50 into $13,836. So guys, if you have not yet considered this, local $50 will get you a simple. Now, I'm sure most of us can afford $50, so let's not even doubt the opportunity to invest in this coin. Thank you for being here. Of course, no financial advice. Really appreciate you guys. And if you want more content like this, then make sure to smash the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you watch these videos because these videos were even crazier than this one. Thanks for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss community, and we'll see you on the next one.